Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. Alright, y'all, I'm back with another pretty much cheap meal. Not really cheap, but hey, you can feed your whole family on this. What I'm going to show you. I call this my rigatoni pasta with creamy tomato sauce, and I'm gonna put some meatballs in it. But I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do the meatballs. 4 items required for this, y'all. I got my rigatoni. I like this pasta here, rigatoni, because the sauce goes up inside the noodles, will make it more yummy. Y'all know I use raos. You can use any tomato sauce you want. Marinara sauce. I use raos because it's best on the market. This costs about $3. A little cream. These cost about $3 or $4 at Trader Joe's. These are the best meatballs on the market. I'm not just saying it because Trader Joe's. These are the best. And nice, tender, moist meatballs. The best I ever tasted. Be a frozen product. And that's it. The first thing I'm going to do, y'all, I'm going to put some cream here in my pot over here. And I'm going to kind of let this kind of reduce. This is going to be the sauce for my pasta. Let me show y'all. See that? Got some cream. I'm going to let it start kind of reducing a little, thickening up a little. But in the meantime, we're going to do the pasta. You know I do the pasta after my sauce is ready. Because I don't want to cook the pasta and waiting on the sauce. So the way I do my meatballs, y'all, these are big meatballs that they have at Trader Joe's. And what I like to do, I'm going to just quarter them up. Cut them in 4 pieces. Cut it in half, another half, and that's how I do them just like this, y'all. That way, they distribute better. Just cut them in half, quarter them there. Cut it in 4 pieces, y'all. Nothing fancy. I'm telling y'all, these are the best meatballs I ever tasted. To be a frozen product. They're so moist and juicy. It's not second to none. I don't know anyone can touch it. You know, you buy frozen meatballs and they tough and dry. Not these. These are absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing, y'all. Okay, put this right back on the plate here, because we're going to add these meatballs in right after my sauce is ready. The sauce is very simple. Nothing to it. All I want to do is get this cream come up to a boil. You know, I'm going to add my marinara to it. Let it come up to a boil. And then we're going to add our meatballs to it. And that's going to be our sauce, y'all. So let me move y'all back over to the pot here. See how easy this is. Just so, and I got my water already boiling here for my pasta. I got salt in it. That's all I put in the water, y'all, is salt. You know what? I'm gonna pour the rest of this cream in there, y'all. Ain't no sense of saving that little bit. I'm gonna pour the rest of that in there. Ain't no sense of saving it. So what I'm gonna do, y'all, I'm gonna step off, let this come to a boil, and I'm gonna show you the next step. This is very simple to put together. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. Okay, I got my cream kind of boiling and reduced a little. All I'm gonna do, y'all, I get this open. I'm gonna pour my marinara. This is what's gonna make it a creamy tomato sauce, y'all. Stir that in there. If I get my whip, it'd be better, but I'm gonna be lazy here. Kind of stir with my spoon. Come on, Chef Jeffy. Come on, Chef Jeffy. Get the right tool for the right job here. All right. Whisk that up in there. See how it makes that creamy tomato sauce? See the secret? We call this a pomodoro sauce in the food industry. Where I just retired from last year, call this a pomodoro sauce. Now I'm gonna have to add some salt and pepper to this because the marinara was already seasoned, but once I add that bland cream to this, it kind of ruin the flavor of the marinara. So let me get my salt and pepper. That's all I'm gonna add to this. Of course, I know I need to add something. I'm not gonna even taste it until I add something to this. Because I know it's gonna need it. Okay, let's taste it here. Need some more. Like I say, I put a lot of cream in there, which took away from the natural. That should do it right there, y'all. On there. Now, hold on, y'all. There's nothing to this sauce, y'all. I'll move my hang up. Get back to my spoon here. All I'm gonna do now, y'all, we're gonna add our meatballs in there, and we're gonna let this simmer. About 10 to 15 minutes. All I want to do is just bring them meatballs up to temperature, bring the marinara sauce up to temperature, and look at that. We got a creamy tomato meatball sauce right here. I've been making this for years, y'all. It's a go-to dish for me, y'all. On my go-to meal. So we're going to let that simmer. And while that's simmering, guess what? We're going to go on and put these noodles up in there. Put my noodles in the back. Rigatoni takes a little bit longer than the regular macaroni. So we're going to pour our rigatoni in there. Stir it around there. Give it a little stir. Get my top, put it back on there. And we're going to get this thing, get to going there. Y'all see, y'all ain't see me put the pasta in there, did you? Well, it's back there in the back. Let me show you. I ain't have the camera on there. Yeah, I got my rigatoni back in here. Got that pasta. Got the sauce going. And this meal is about to go together. And I'm not going to mix the rigatoni in here with the sauce. I'm going to just ladle the sauce on the pasta as I see fit. Because I think it eats better like that. So anyway, y'all, we'll be right back once the pasta's ready. Be right back. All right, y'all, we are back. Look at the sauce. It's really come together. It's been simmering about 15, 20 minutes. You know what I decided, y'all? I'm going to add the rigatoni when it's ready. I'm going to do just like I always do. I'm going to pour the rigatoni when it get ready. Pour it right into the sauce and mix it together. Because what's going to happen, like I told y'all, see the little holes in the rigatoni? And let that sauce really get into the holes of the rigatoni. It makes it so good. That's where I eat it anyway. So instead of trying to be fancy, just pour it in the pot like I always do. If y'all wasn't watching me, and do it the same way. So this sauce is ready. So I'm gonna turn this off. See the nice tender meatballs? See how they so tender, they pretty much falling apart, which is good. That's why I cut it in little 4 pieces like that. Because you see why I cut it up? Because it eats better. So I'm going to cover this sauce up. This is good to go. And wait on my pasta back there. Like I say, y'all, I always want my sauce waiting on my pasta. I don't want the pasta waiting on the sauce. Because as soon as my pasta is ready, I like to dump it right into the sauce. I don't rinse it off or nothing. So that's the reason I always get my sauce ready first and then cook my pasta off. So anyway, this shit got about 3 or 4 more minutes and it'll be ready, and we'll come back, mix the two together, and we'll be ready to eat, y'all. We need some garlic bread and a salad. You got a full meal for a whole family, less than $10. Be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. All right, y'all, the pasta's ready. Okay, all we're gonna do, y'all, I'm gonna pick this up here. Add it right, let it drain right there. Let me get a towel here because it will get a little hot on me. Kind of let that water drain out there. You gotta really shake it good because you know, with a tubular pasta, you got water hanging around in there. I'll just pour it right in here, y'all. Make sure you get them all out of there. Step back over in there. I'm gonna take my spoon here, y'all. We're just gonna kind of stir it around in there like that, y'all. Turn this off, turn that off. And you got all that sauce just soaking up in there. Get all down to the bottom there. Good eating there, y'all. Good creamy tomato sauce. Got your meatballs in there. Look at that. All you need some garlic bread. And it's all good. And what I like to do, y'all, hold on, y'all. Get my big spoon here. To get all that sauce. A lot of sauce down at the bottom. Let's get that in there. Make sure all that sauce soaked in there. And what I like to do, y'all, I'm gonna let this sit covered about 5 minutes. Let that sauce really soak into that pasta. Then we're gonna come back. I'm gonna have a bowl of this. And we're gonna see how it tastes. I gotta prove it to y'all. So let me cover it up, let it sit 5 minutes, and we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. Tell me this is not comforting looking, y'all. See the steam coming off of there? I'm telling y'all. And I got some of that cheap Parmesan. I keep some of this in the freezer. Put a little bit on there. All you need is some garlic bread. Not in the freezer, y'all, in the refrigerator. Put a little of that Parmesan on there. We going in here, y'all. Get a meatball on there. A pasta. Look at that, y'all. That nice, beautiful meatball pasta. Tomato sauce is so creamy. Pasta's perfectly cooked. Then with the rigatoni, you got the sauce all inside there too. You see how I tossed it in there with the sauce? I'm telling y'all, get you some garlic bread, a salad. Hey, feed a family of 4. This alone, $10. What? $1 for a pound of pasta. A meatball was about $3 or something. Marinara, you can get a cheap jar of marinara. You don't have to use raos. You get a cheap jar of marinara, a couple of bucks. Cream, quarter cream, cost you about $2 or $3. It's cheaper than ordering a pepperoni pizza. Cheaper than go and get go take a family of 4, go order a hamburger, fries, and a Coke. Less than $10, for $10, $12. I'm telling y'all, people don't realize how cheap food is already high. And you think about it and take a few shortcuts, you can feed a family of 4 easily on $20 every night. And probably 2 or 3 nights if you make a lot and everybody have it for leftovers. I've done it and it can still survive. Like I say, sometimes this day and time stuff is expensive. You gotta learn how to eat at home, cook at home. A lot of people still do that Uber Eats, and which I do Uber Eats. I do once or twice a month. I do Uber Eats just to, you know, glorify myself and spoil myself for something like I say that I want. But most majority of the time, y'all already know, I'm cooking at home and eating good wholesome meals at home. So anyway, y'all, just a little quick meal, quick eat, cheap eat there. I'm doing a lot of these videos this year as prices of food keep rising. So anyway, let me close this video. If you like this video, please share, please comment, please subscribe. Please follow my other social media accounts, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, TishPV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2022, helping others with a purpose. Old School Soul Food. Till next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day, and I will see y'all in the next... Oh, no. Hold on. Let me go back. I did the wrong hashtag. I'm telling y'all. It's going to take me a couple months before I can let it flow off my tongue. Hashtag 2023. Just show some kindness. I'm sorry, y'all. Hashtag 2023. Just show some kindness. Old School Soul Food. Till next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day, and I will see y'all in the next video. Now I can go. Bye.